Type your name and press enter. Hold on. Wait. Friends, this is the process to name the first chapter. Click on the pencil and a box comes up and you type your name, type the name of the first chapter and enter. Kamala, go to topic 2.
Yes, sir.
Type the name of the second chapter. You can type any name. You don't want to follow a system. According to your convenience, type the name. Friends, see,
Yes,
this
sir.
is how
Yes,
to
sir.
type. Kamala, hold the mouse on the pencil. Hold the mouse on the pencil. Take your mouse. See, it is here. You should click. Friends, it is here. You should click. Kamala, give another name to the second one's topic 2. Click on the pencil and type again.
Yes, sir.
See, this is how to type. This is how to give the name of your first chapter, second chapter, and third chapter. Friends, please complete the process. Friends, please complete the process. Anand sir, is there any issue? Anand sir, is there any issue? Anand Tom. Yes sir, any issues?
Sir, I have not get
Varghese sir?
the pencil. There.
Sir, turn editing on. You should skip the first step. Go to settings. There is an star on your right top. Click onto that setting and turn editing on. Vasu ma'am, please mute your mic.
Okay.
Vasu ma'am, please mute your mic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Varghese sir, turn editing on.
Yes.
That is the first step.
Okay, sir. Right.
Whenever you log into site, you are an admin and you will be logging in to do some editing work. So don't forget this step. As and when you log in, turn editing on.
Okay, sir.
Are you able to see the pencil?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Anyone else? Now, Kamala, just do one thing. Go to the first chapter, displacement.
Okay, sir.
Then nearby on your right side, you can see add an activity. Add an activity. Click on to add an activity.
Yes, sir.
Then hold on. Friends, take a look at this one. On your right side, there is add an activity. Click on to add an activity and you will be getting such a screen. Hope all of you got that screen. Or else I will come to each one of your screen. Hold on. Friends, this is the process. On your right side, there is an add an activity. Click on to add an activity and you will be able to see this screen. Now do one thing. Kamala, there is a bar, gray bar in center. Take it down. Slowly bring it down. Hello friends, take a look at this one. I am asking Kamala to bring that bar little bit down. Yeah, little bit down. Put it down, slowly. Friends, this is how. Oh yeah, you take it down. Don't worry. Hello, Kamala. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Down, little bit down. Little bit more. Kamala, come to the last part.
Should I go up?
Little bit down. Hello.
Is it right, sir?
No. You bring that bar. Yeah, wait. See, friends, take this bar. Slowly move it to the down part. Down part. And the last but one page. Click onto that page. Last but one, there is page. Click onto that page. Kamala, please click onto that page. Don't do anything else.
Yes, I clicked it, sir.
No,
Yes,
it
sir.
is not highlighted. Do once again. Click onto that box. There is a circle there. Click onto that circle. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, sir. I have
Yeah,
clicked
yeah.
it, sir.
Okay. See, this is how. Click on to the circle nearby that page. Click on to circle nearby that page. Now,
Sir, a kind.
sorry. No. Wait. You just,
Sir, the voice.
sorry.
Allah, sir. Sir, if I click anything, it will take at least 30 seconds to display in other screens.
Okay,
So that only it
don't
is
worry. Don't worry.
wait.
Okay, I am waiting. So you also please hold on.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So friends, this is the process.
So
Go to
this
the,
is for the kind attention of all the parents.
this is the process. Go to the right side, add an activity, and you will be getting this white screen. There will be a gray bar in between. Bring it slowly down to the last part. Then last but one, on the left side you can see page. Click on to page and wait for my instruction. Hello, can I go to the next step? If possible, some of you unmute and
Yes.
say yes or
Yes,
no.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me. Any issues?
So you can
Yeah,
move
we
ahead.
are with you.
Okay, great. That's the spirit. So there is a comment
you.
that I am too much at a faster pace. So I am just waiting for others to come up. So friends, put on the top gear. That is better. Then we'll be together. Okay then.
Yes, sir.
So now Kamala, do one thing. Click on to add. No, don't
Yes,
click
sir.
here. Wait. Keep your mouse on add. Friends, do one
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Keep your mouse on add and see what is seen on Kamala's screen. Kamala, click on to add.
Yes, sir.
Friends, click on to that orange box add because it is highlighted and it conveys that you should do the next step. What is your next step? Add. Now, Kamala, click on to add and complete the process.
So we can also add.
And wait for, yeah, click on to add because normally even it realize that what you are interested is you are going to prepare a new page. So the ad will be highlighted. Cancel will be minimized. If you have done it mistakenly, you can cancel. But here we have done it knowingly, intentionally. So there is no mistake. Click on to add and you will be seeing this page. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Till here.
Perfect.
Okay then. Kamala, you have given the name of the first chapter. And this page will be hosting the content of the first chapter. So do one thing. Give the name of the first chapter here. Name. So both the names are same. Properties and role of languages. That is the name given by Kamala in her first chapter. So this chapter, it will be the notes of that chapter. So the name can also be properties and role of languages. Description. Kamala, tell me what you are going to do with this content. Explain that in a 2 sentence in description. In this course, I'll be describing, I'll be
Okay, sir.
discussing about type. Let others also do that. I'll be discussing about the various contents related to the properties of language and the role it plays in enhancing communication or things like that. So friends, type that because when for assessment, no NAC, etc., they'll be asking the objective of the course. This is the objective of the course. So what is the objective of the course? You need to type underneath that. Kamala, you can incorporate bold, italics, etc. Please, friends,
Okay, sir.
do the formatting as well.
Okay, sir.
And please wait for my instruction.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
great.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I am still lagging behind. The thing is, like, I have clicked on that orange this thing, my new Moodle site.
What is your name?
My name is Susan.
Susan, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Can you hold on for some more minute? I'll be completing
Yeah, sure.
this process and you will be asked to show your screen and I'll guide you. So you relax and I'll be there. Anyone else? Please wait for Susan's screen. Then I'll be taking up the matter. Others, please start doing this thing because I'll be incorporating some components and I'll be giving them the assignment which they will be doing while I'll be looking into others. Now, Kamala, friends, can I go forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, great.
Maybe
Yes,
we need some time to type the content.
Yeah, what is the intention of this course? That you need to type because
Okay.
every now and then they'll be asking, this is the mode you should adopt. What is this course? What is the objective of it? What is the end result? Kamala, I just take your mouse and go to that H5P letter. Your mouse is somewhere nearer to that. Bring it to H5P. Then go to the next one and to the next one and to the. That means the fourth item. You can see a mic. Hello, friends.
Yes,
Take
sir,
a look
yes,
at the
sir.
screen and you can see mic.
Sir,
Take your mouse and click on.
Okay, sir.
Click onto that mic. Click onto that mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Kamala, you click onto
Yes,
that
I have.
mic. Yes, I am waiting for the response.
Yes, sir.
Record audio means
Yes, I can understand.
Record audio. Record audio. So this description,
Yes.
you say it to your laptop and record it. Start recording, stop recording. So what you are doing is you
Okay, sir.
yes. See the screen. When you click onto that, you can see this one. Start recording. Kamala, press on the button start recording and say something. Not something, something related to the topic.
Hello, students. In this course, we are going to see the first property of language, which is meant. That means, choosing the language, we are able to talk about what is happening in distant places. Sitting in Salem, I can talk about anything about America or Australia. So this is called of displacement. Thank you.
Stop recording. Stop recording. Yes, yes, wait. Wait. Wait, Till your screen shows stop recording.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for that
Okay, sir.
30 seconds gap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. That is.
Attach recording. This recording will be there. So what I hope you remember, I told earlier, the 4 quadrants, audio, video, etc. So start practicing from this step onwards, how to incorporate audio into your course. Attach recording. Friends, you can see the last one. Kamala, 1 second, click onto the play file. Play. 00. You can see a play button there. Click onto it. Let us all hear. That is it. Now you can check whether it is recorded or not, and you click onto that, and it will be playing. Yes, it will play.
Using language, we are able to talk about what is happening in
Okay, this is the audio track of Kamala.
sitting in.
Now you can realize the audio difference because while she was talking to the mic, it is somewhat little bit more clearer. The audio recording, it is lagged because of the server issues or transmission issues. Now attach the file. Stop and attach the file. Friends,
30% complete.
oh, okay. Don't worry. Take your time.
Oh, mobile.
sir, we have to do our own separate recording.
Yeah. You don't want to record Kamala's. Sir, Varghese sir, it is your content. Kamala
But the
is
thing
in
is-
no way attached to your.
But the thing is, when we are recording, if she is saying that will be mixed.
Okay. You can do. Now, Kamala, be quiet
So give us
till
some-
Varghese sir
yeah.
complete the process. Okay, we all will be quiet.
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. So you reduce the volume and talk to the mic. Then it will be audio. It will not be that audible.
Sir, how can we
If the
delete
mic
it?
is mute in a mute mode, it will work.
Speaker. Not mic. Speaker. Volume of the speaker. Mic will be recording, but the speaker will not be audible. Hope you understood the step.
Sir, how can we delete it?
There is an undo on top. After attaching, click onto that and delete. Press the delete button.
Okay, sir.
There is an undo mark
So
on
where
top.
it is?
Just on the right top. Hello? Are you not able to see that in
Sir,
front
if
of
we
you?
have already attached, can we delete it?
Click onto that Word file and delete. Click onto that sign
Audio file.
and delete it. Or go back. It will be doing the process again. Click onto that and delete. Don't worry. You create another page in place of that if you are not able to do that. There will be some
So if we want to delete this audio, how can we delete this?
You click onto that audio and delete. If the symbol will be shown on that, take a look at this one.
So
Can't you
just
see the audio track there?
just tell Kamala ma'am to do this. We can watch on the screen.
Kamala, attach.
Sir, only one person attach complete.
Attach and identify where the file is loaded.
Yes. It is getting loaded.
Otherwise, go to the whole thing, edit settings, and you can see that. There are so many ways to do the thing. That is why I told you, it is the best software, best platform to start your ABC in e-learning. Can you stop and show me where the file is attached?
If we cancel everything, will be cancelled.
Yeah.
Below.
Yes.
Otherwise, do the same step. Go to edit settings. You can see all the file together. Right from Word to the content, you can delete. Select the whole box, delete, and start it afresh. Select all, delete. Can I go to the next step?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. അയ്യോ ഞാൻ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഓപ്പൺ എടുക്കണം. ഞാൻ അക്കൗണ്ട് എടുക്കേണ്ടി വരും. ഞാൻ നോട്ടെ ഞാൻ ഉണ്ടോ നോട്ടെ. എന്റേത് ആക്റ്റീവ് ഒന്നും ആയിരിക്കില്ല. ഞാൻ പണ്ട് എടുത്തതാണ്. നോട്ടെ.
Sir, due to internet problem, I could attach the file in our site.
Okay, doesn't matter. You close that one and let me go to the next step. Close that file.
Okay, sir. Sure.
There is an into mark on top and you close that one.
Yes.
Sir, 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
The description may be given in the written form also, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, anything. Sir, if you want, because, sir, Varghese sir, it is regarding the 4 quadrant I told you, no? It should have an audio track and a video track. So let the participants learn from this small step itself or how to incorporate video and how to incorporate audio.
Okay, sir. Also, the
For that thing only I convey to them.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
In my page, the audio got recorded in the same box where I have mentioned, where I have described the chapter. I guess that is the format.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay.
Can you click onto that and delete and start it again? Because many of them are asking how to delete. Click onto that.
Sure.
That's a simple step.
Sure.
Can I
Shall
go
I
to the...
stop, sir?
No. I need to tell them one more step. Kamala, do one thing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Nearby that mic, you can see a video camera. Ruchi ma'am, can you hold on?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, it is the audio file. Click onto that. Ruchi ma'am, can you do one thing? Click onto that audio track.
Yes. Sir, stop sharing किया.
Ruchi ma'am, come back.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, sir. फिर से share again.
Because others are waiting. See, do you know the number? 117. So otherwise, others will get annoyed because I am not able to get into the desk. So please be fast. Ruchi ma'am, you are live. Click onto that word, that audio track. Click onto that.
Sir, how to delete?
Yeah, that is what I am trying to tell them. Click onto that. Take your mouse and click onto that.
Sir, I don't know where is.
It is shown on the screen. That audio track. Click onto
Yes,
that.
sir. Sir, I
It is not
didn't
working.
see. This is not working. Sir, where I am clicking?
No. Close.
Yes, sir.
Don't insert HSP. See, under the formatting, you can see the audio track displayed there.
ये
Click onto that. Click. No. Close that one. I think
अरे
I
जो
should.
तूने वो कराया है ना ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड की उसको बोल रहे हैं वो.
हाँ, वो उसके ऊपर लगाकर उसको डिलीट करना है.
ओके.
वो है ना, उसके ऊपर माउस रखो के बाद.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to delete that?
Yes, sir.
So friends, this is the process. You can see the audio track laid and click onto that and delete it.
മഹീനോം കെ നാം പഠിക്കർ 5 ബാർ ലിഖിയേ. മാസങ്ങളുടെ പേരാ ജനുവരി ഫെബ്രുവരി ടീച്ചർ തന്നേക്കുന്നത് നോക്കി എഴുത്, എന്നിട്ടാ പഠിക്കണം.
Sunita ma'am, you are live. Are you giving imposition to us?
I will give you amazing properties, nature and psychology.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, Kamala ma'am, you are live. Can you click onto the video camera? Friends, take a look at this video camera. Not record video. Hold on. Friends, nearby that mic, there is a video recording. Now start recording. Do you know what? You will be live on cam. Your camera will be active and you will be in recording mode. See the screen? You can see Kamala live doing her recording. Click onto that and say something and incorporate that into the same audio file, into the content. So this is the process. Start recording, stop recording. Stop recording. Attach. Now stop sharing the screen and let me see the page of others as well. Hello. Okay, please come here. You are live. Preeti ma'am, I think you are live. Friends.
This topic I will teach about the meaning, happens in nature and scope of history.
Hello students, in this topic I will be discussing about the nature and values of mathematics.
Okay, there was a question by somehow one participant. So I think Susan ma'am. Susan ma'am, are you there? Is the name correct?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
I'm here, sir.
Can you share the screen? And we will take up the. I think you are the one who is not able to get to the website. Susan ma'am, share the screen. Susan ma'am, start sharing your screen. Show me the page where you face the trouble. From there we will be taking up. Tania ma'am, you are live. Are you going to show the screen? Hello? Any doubts, please come forward. We need to go to the next step. If nobody is responding, then I'll be going back to the presentation.
Sir, is it okay?
Yeah, Sherlyn sir, it is great. Can you show me the screen? Can you reduce the size? Minimize. Yeah, okay. Can you play the track? That's enough. Play the track. Yes, let me hear.
Hi friends, good morning. This unit deals with the educational technology, its concept, definition,
Great.
meaning, importance, and scope,
That's
as
great.
well as the various forms of educational technology.
Stop.
Finally,
Can you stop? Sherlyn sir, remember one thing. When you talk to the camera, keep the laptop at your chest position. Look at straight into the camera rather than looking down. With this colorful t-shirt, I expect some light background rather than the asbestos sheet. So,
okay,
see
sir.
the background
Okay.
as well. Yeah, see the background as well. Light contrast, dark t-shirt. Light t-shirt, dark contrast.
Okay,
And
sir.
see that it is like news reading. Do keep that in mind and start preparing your session. So friends,
Sure, sir.
I can see you, many of you looking down at your camera. Never do that. Assume that you are doing a news reading process. So you should take a look at your background as well. Plain white wall, some wall is better rather than any other thing. So Sherlyn sir, you will be keeping that in mind, and next time tomorrow I should see this t-shirt along with some other background.
Sure,
Hope
definitely, sir.
Hope you will be showing that video as well.
Sure.
Have a nice day. Okay,
Thank
then
you, sir.
stop
Thank you,
sharing.
thank you.
Okay, stop sharing. Let me see others, please. So this is an important thing: audio, video, content, incorporating the 4 quadrants. Anthony sir, you are live. Can you play the audio track, video track? Thompson, please wait for sir. See, let us give each one of them a chance. Don't jump onto the screen. I am here. I'll be here live.
Sir, this is
Susan ma'am, can you stop? I will come to you. Just 1 second. I will call your name. Don't worry. Stop sharing and wait for me. Hello, sir. Anthony, sir. Anthony, sir, please share your screen.
Yeah.
Sir, high-tech era, you must be faster.
Yeah.
Jump onto the screen because 100 of them are waiting. Sherlyn, sir, can you mute your mic? Anthony, sir, I'm waiting for you. Others are also waiting for you.
Yeah. I'm playing it.
Okay. Punita ma'am, can you give a chance to Anthony, sir?
I hope the sound is not enough. I should be a little bit louder. Let me delete it and do it again.
That's great. That's great. Friends, take a look at your video, and if you don't feel that you are like a newsreader, do the process again and show me the screen. I want a plain background, and you should not be looking down onto the screen, but your eyes should be straight in line with the camera. So passport size photo, something like that you should keep in mind, and please record the video and let me have a look at it. Sunita ma'am, back to you. Susan ma'am, please share the screen. Let us start the process again.
Yes, sir.
So friends, while looking at the camera, keep your laptop in such a way that put 1 or 2 pillows and keep it on top of that, and then it will be on your chest height. That is why Varghese sir told he was able to see only my nose, because I am closer to the camera.
Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Vasu, ma'am, no. I can see the kid. Picture of the kid, not the shared screen.
So I have to click on the
present now. Present now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chrome tab.
This is my screen.
Yes, Chrome tab and show the screen. Susan ma'am, please wait. Friends, please wait. Susan ma'am, business studies. Click on to business studies. Click on to business studies.
Yes, sir. So when I click on to this business studies, actually there is no such
turn editing on. Go to the star above. Please go to the top right. Top right. Click on to that. Turn editing on.
Okay, sir.
Turn editing on. Click on to the pencil near topic 1. Near 1 you can see a pencil. Type the first chapter name. Name of the chapter. What is business studies? Importance of business studies, something like that. No, you can write. I'm just giving you a suggestion. Business environment. Okay. Enter. Press enter. There is a spelling mistake.
Yes,
So while typing, you can also correct that. Leave. Forget about that. Now come to the right side. Add an activity. No. Near to that. Add an activity.
This one, huh?
Click onto that. You can see the bar, a gray bar in center of that. Bring it down to the last one. You can see the page. Click onto a circle near to that page. Add the page. Add the page. Give the same title. Give the name. Business environment. Now type the description. Down below, explain about what is the objective of this content. The content provides an insight into the business environment prevailing all over the world and the changing environments, the changes that is happening in this business world, something like that.
Objective is to be typed in this description bar or the content bar?
Description, because every module, as per instruction of MHRD, UGC and other board of studies, they convey that every module should have an objective and the final end result that will happen on the student. Type something like that. Click on, there is an arrow showing down to near alphabet A. Click onto that. Near alphabet A. No, don't go down. I am just concentrating on description only. There is an arrow near to that left side. Click onto that. Friends, do this thing and you can see other formatting. Centralize, justify, etc. If you are typing more content, you can use all the formatting. Now, ma'am, select 1 or 2 words and give bold, italics, etc. This is the formatting you can incorporate. Select 1 or 2 words. Bold. On top, near to A, you can see the letter B. B stands for bold. I slanting stands for italics. Okay. Now, Susan ma'am, do one thing. Click onto the mic. On the top line, you can see the mic. Yes. Click onto the mic. Now, start recording. Click on to start recording and say something about what this objective is. Click onto that.
Students,
Say something.
this course will be about business environment. You will be learning here about both micro and macro environment which is prevailing in and around us, and how it has an impact on the running of a business and its operations.
Stop. And play. Can you play it? First play the track.
Students, this course will be about business.
So it is audible to you, no?
You
It is
will be
audible to
learning
me.
here about both micro and macro.
Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, now click onto the attached recording.
And
Attached recording. Now go to the next one. Nearby that you can see an video camera. Nearby that you can see a video camera. Click onto that. Now say the same thing to the video camera as well. Remember one thing, your video camera will be active. Click onto that. Now say the objective of this course and the takeaways from this course. Start recording and wait. Because depending upon your speed, the camera will be live. If you are using broadband, it will be faster. If you are using Wi-Fi, it will be taking a lot of time. Now, talk to the camera.
Morning, students. This video, this particular class is related to business environment. Here you will be taught about what is business environment, its impact on our society and our daily life, and you will be learning more about micro environment as well as macro environment and how it has an impact on the running of business and its operations.
Stop recording. Play the video. Susan ma'am, take a look at it. I can see the background curtain, the shelf, etc. So it is better you sit nearer to that gray background. Let the background be a plain one. Then only your image will be much more clearer. Hope you understood what I am trying to say. The camera angle is perfect because you are talking straight to the camera rather than looking down.
How it has an impact on the running
Can you
of
stop?
business and its
Attach.
operations.
Underneath you can see the yellow bar. Underneath, yeah, that yellow band. Click onto that and it will be attached to the file. Friends, hope all of you have seen the same step again. Can you stop sharing? This is it, and we will come back after some time. Next one, please.
Sir,
Yeah.
so if we want to delete audio and video and want the content only,
Then
but it is not deleting, we are not able to delete it.
Then I will tell you another step. Keep it there for some time. I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry.
Sir, I
Okay
need
then.
one more,
Susan ma'am, can you stop sharing?
So I need one more help, sir. Actually, on this orange bar, it is still reflecting as my new Moodle site rather than the subject or the particular paper.
No, that is the name of your site. The subject will not be displayed. If you want to name, this is the name of your site. It will never name the subject or the paper.
Sir,
If you want a Susan ma'am, if you want to give the name of your domain, you click onto this one, and I have told you yesterday itself the same process. Click onto that, turn editing on.
Okay.
Edit settings. Yesterday you are not listening. I think so. Click on.
No, sir.
Yeah. Now give the name. No. Don't run. My new Moodle site. Give the name business environment or business studies or something like that. Short name. BS1, something like that. Describe. This is the course. See, are you into commerce or management?
The commerce, sir.
Commerce. Give the full name of the domain rather than a particular one, because you will be incorporating many things, financial, accounting, etc., etc. If you give business studies, that conveys that the whole site is exclusively for business studies alone. So give a broader name, that is well and good.
Sir, actually, I am a high school teacher, and class 11 and 12, we have a specific paper that is business studies itself.
So you are not interested in giving commerce as the name rather than business studies. So it is up to you.
Okay, right, sir.
You see, one paper for 11th standard means you can add as category, not the here.
Okay,
That is
so you
better.
mean that I should add here commerce?
Yeah, something like that. You are a commerce teacher, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then put it as commerce, because the bigger the domain, the better it is. Because you will be, you can develop subunits under it. But it is not fair to put commerce under business studies. So give the broader heading commerce and bring business studies, management, accounting, bookkeeping, etc. as a sub one. Hope you understood what I am trying to convey.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then save changes. Go down, down, down. Down, save changes. Now you can see the name of the site changing. BS. That is business studies.
Okay, right. So,
Okay. Yeah, stop sharing. Give chance to others, please. Next one, please. Come forward. Be in a hurry. Hello, friends. Rosmin Cherian. Anyone else? Tanya ma'am, are you interested in coming over to the screen? Yeah, great. Tanya ma'am, what is the issue? Everything is perfect now?
Yes.
See, study of chemical. Oh, hold on. The formatting, I think, need some
This
audio track.
particular unit deals with photochemistry, which is the study of reactions involving absorption of light.
Okay. Vasu Sharma ma'am, please wait. Let Tanya ma'am complete the whole process. Tanya ma'am, it's over to you. Sharing. Please share your screen. Tanya ma'am, you are live. Yeah, show me the video track. Video, please.
Jablonski diagram describes the photophysical processes of non-radiative and radiative transitions.
Okay, great. Stop sharing. Give chance to others, please. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Next one, please. Punita ma'am, I think you try to come forward. Now it's the chance, please. The dice is open for all of you. One by one, please come over. Punita ma'am,
after learning this course, you will know what is intelligence and the theories of intelligence, and you may measure the intelligence of
Video is
your
not visible to me.
students.
Can you bring the cursor down? Side there is a bar, gray bar, near to that video picture. Bring it down, slowly down. On your right side. Next one, please. Next one, please. Punita ma'am, can you bring the gray bar on your right of that one slowly down? See, I can see all the carton boxes in the video recording. So,
After learning this course, you would know what is intelligence and the theories of intelligence, which helps you to measure the intelligence of your students in future.
Punita ma'am, look straight into the camera. You should keep your laptop at a higher level. Put 1 or 2 books and keep the laptop above that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then you should talk straight to the camera. Don't talk down.
Okay, sir.
As if you are, imagine that you are doing a news reading. And regarding the background, it is better we don't show the carton boxes. Okay then. Stop sharing, please. Give others, please. See, these are the important things: audio, video, quadrant on your content. Please, next one, please. Matilda ma'am, you are live. Yes, ma'am. Can you play the track? Ma'am, there is an issue. Matilda ma'am, stop. Matilda ma'am, there is an issue. Take a look at your... Matilda ma'am, stop. Can I talk? There is a issue in your screen. Can you tell me what is the issue in your screen? When a red icon is shown, that means it is an important one. You have not given the name. Yeah, near that there is a box. Give the name. Friends, all those highlighted in red are essential components in the course. Give the name. Don't forget to do that. Otherwise, it will not be accepting changes. So assignment like turn editing on as an important component. This red icon is also an important one. Red, it conveys that it is important. So type your name. Now you can type. Show me the video track. No, on top. Slowly you can say the changes. Play the video.
We will be discussing about the nature of mathematics, such as its symbolism, abstractness, precision and accuracy, and also the values of mathematics, such as practical, social, cultural, etc. So I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.
Okay then. Stop sharing. Anyone else?
In this topic, we will be
hope you know how to type the material as well.
The nature.
Okay, the next one, please. Faster, so that I can go to the next one. Don't go out from that screen. I will be doing certain other things on that page. Today itself, we need to incorporate some other things on the screen, on the same page, before we say goodbye. Hello, anyone else? Okay, then it seems Sibichan sir, you're live. Sir, can you play the video? Yes. Vasu Sharma, ma'am, can you stop? Because Sibichan sir is sharing the screen. Vasu, ma'am.
It was just a sample, sir. Just nothing much.
Okay. Behind there is a light element there. A TV screen is there.
Okay, I need to avoid that.
Yeah, that's it. Vasu, ma'am, you are live. Can you show me the content? Hello. There is no typing matter. Huh? Only audio video.
No, I want to delete this audio, but it is not. I'm not able to delete it.
Don't worry, we will work out. If you are able to click on and delete, it is well and good. If it is not working,
I'm trying it, but it is not able to do
don't
it.
Worry,
I'm
don't
not.
worry. Can you press backspace? Click onto that and do backspace or delete.
Sir, backspace works.
Yeah, that's it. Punita ma'am, the keys in front of you is for experimenting, not for showing. You start pressing each one of them, right, from left to right. But keep in mind, you should press from left to right. Don't change the order, because I am very strict with the order. You should press from left to right.
Okay. Okay.
See, I was just joking. You don't want to go from left to right. You just press delete or backspace. That is better. Next one, please. Anyone else? Can I go back?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think we can proceed with the next topic.
Okay, so we'll be coming to the next one. Down below, you can see the content. I am not going to explain. You are the one who is going to do. In that content, do one thing. Open your Word file. Take the content we had copied. We had prepared. Copy it and paste on it. After pasting, each one of you start sharing the content. This is the content that is going to be referred by the student, not the audio or the video track which you had given earlier. They normally will be skipping those introductions and blah blah blah. They will be coming into the notes. Okay, so be careful. I like to see the formatting perfect. Justify should be there. Centralization should be there, and all the contents, images, etc. should be there. Copy it and paste it. Anthony sir, you are live. I think you have completed the whole process. Yes, sir. Anthony sir, you are correct. See, take a look at Anthony sir's. This is the content that is going to be seen by the student, which they are going to refer. Anthony sir, there is a table, no? Can you show me the table? Yeah. Stop. Yeah, that is the table or something like that.
No.
There is no table.
No table points.
Friends, what I want is, Anthony sir, I am giving an assignment now. Incorporate some table into it.
Okay, sir.
If you copy and paste, it will not be working. If it is working, well and good. Otherwise, you should take the screenshot. That is what I told you. Print the screen, copy and paste it.
Okay,
hope you understood what I said.
Okay, sir.
Okay, friends. I want a table in that, picture in that, illustrations in that, if possible, audio and video, which we had earlier incorporated. Next one, please. See, as we do copy and paste from Word, no, the formatting takes automatically from the Word. That is why Anthony sir's content has bold letters and running letters as well. That is why I told you to use Word along with that. Otherwise, if you start typing on that, it will be taking only notepad style without any formatting.
Samla sir, ഒരു ഡൗട്ട് ചോദിച്ചോട്ടെ? നമ്മൾ ആ ഓഡിയോ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഓഡിയോ വീഡിയോ ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്?
Backspace. Click onto that and backspace. Or else we will be adopting. Many of them are able to delete that. Otherwise, we will be going to another step. It will normally, when you click onto that,
okay,
backspace. Press the button backspace. Earlier, many of them has told that backspace is working, so it will work for you as well.
Sir, I can share to you.
If they, Bhagya sir is always welcome. See, if you are facing an issue, check your net connection. The speed will not be there, so you need to press for a little bit longer. Because what you are doing is you are not typing on your Word file on your laptop, but on the server. There is a gap between you and the server. Server is in US. So there is a gap. The connection should be stable and strong. Then only you can complete the process at a faster pace. Bhagya sir, welcome sir. Back to the screen. You are live. Share the screen. Let me take a look at it. So finally, friends,